Let's get some noise in this place. Hey, I want more noise. Yeah, I like it. Alright, hold on. Let's get some noise from this side. Oh, boring. Alright, let's get some noise from this side. Yeah, alright, let's get some noise from this side. So I'd be doing a song called Catch a Wave, which basically means for you to get a good time whenever, wherever. It doesn't matter, wherever you find yourself. Always know you can catch a wave. You could ride the wave of life, ride the wave of fun. When you're studying, catch the study wave, whatever you're doing, but you're catching a wave, yeah? As a DJ. By the way, I want to see y'all jumping for this, because if y'all ain't jumping, I'm gonna drop the mic. Peace. What's my name? Skippy on fire.
Tinkerbell!
No, let me hear that. Say it.
Tinkerbell!
One more time.
Tinkerbell!
What? Let's catch a wave off into the sky to a better place. Oh, y'all go, let's catch a wave. Let's go away, hopping on the jet to a better place. Say catch a wave with me. Catch a wave.
Away!
Let's go away. Hopping on the jet. Let's catch a wave away. See, catch a wave. I don't care where I'm going. Come with me if it's a good time that you're wanting. No question, no deals, just good vibes and chill. Welcome to the good vibe shit. And I'm the captain, man. I'll go down on deck, so you know that we ain't falling. Everything on check, what you need, I got you covered. Out here we finesse, peace of mind is guaranteed. Just happiness is free, and I heard them coming. What? We keep on riding, think that it's all day. We're gonna party hard and give a fun. What? None of my G's don't play with the game. I swear the boys don't know our name. Let's catch a wave off into the sky to a better place. Oh, your bro, let's catch a wave. Let's go away, popping on the chain. I wanna hear you sing Catch a Wave with me. Let's go sing. Catch a wave. Catch a wave. Let's go away, popping on the. Let's catch it. Go smoke. What? Weekends we be wildin'. We don't smoke weed, but trust me when I'm high as fuck. Good vibes, it's a drug game, I never overdose. Never stop it, always smoke. Regulated, yeah. Oh yeah. 1,000 ways to get no package for your team. It's not one. Trying to make memories and no babies. Yeah, I want a real one. Don't give a fuck about your boyfriend. He ain't gonna do none. You're rolling with the G. Maybe 10 minutes, but she need that. We out here trying to make the money. Stack them like a leap here. Gotta fade up bitch. I'ma take that lip of fake like it's actually sweet. Take on the top and go and there's a way, yeah, there's a what? Let's catch a bag off into the skies to a